missing something that you want. Can't keep pulling back and forth. Tell me that you're gone, even though you're missing. Temptation to call you when the rain crashes my day. I feel thoughtful.
Hello and welcome to the video. To do the Zen Behind the 8 ball, just do a behind the 8 ball starting on the bite handle. That's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful.
Back and forth.
So if you're still here, you know there's more to it than that. Your finger positioning is critical when doing the Zen Behind the 8 ball. The trick is to ensure that there is always space between your fingers and the blade. The way you achieve this is to start by placing your pointer finger close to the middle of the bite handle when going into the partial 0G chaplain. This will ensure there is plenty of room for the blade to swing around your pointer finger when starting the trick. As you transition to the thumb chaplain, make sure you keep your positioning as close to the middle of the bite handle as possible. You want to keep as much distance between your thumb and the blade as possible because this will allow the blade to fall around your thumb instead of slicing it. It is important that you commit or quit at this point. If you have any second thoughts about your finger placement, just stop and try again. Once you are satisfied with your positioning, let the knife go and trust that physics will take care of the rest. Don't panic if you feel the edge contact your thumb. Keep in mind that the blade can contact your thumb without cutting it, so long as it is a falling motion rather than a slicing motion. Once you complete the thumb chaplain, finish with a thumb rollover to complete the trick. If you liked the video, let me know by leaving a like. Subscribe if you'd like to see more.